Okay, question 30B, calculate the projected population at the end of the 6-year period. Okay, so we calculated, or we figured out in the first question here, we know that A is equal to 8,400, and we figured out that the R value must be 1.025 in order to get growth. Okay, that R value has to be bigger than 1 in order for the values to be growing here. And so now our general term would be 8,400, 1.025 to the n minus 1. So calculate the projected population at the end of the 6-year period. Now, this is a bit of a tricky question because the n value isn't what you think it is. For this to work, n can't be 6. Now, I understand the confusion here, but right now, okay, if I look at it right now, the population is 8,400. Now we think a year later, 1 year, then 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Okay, going off here. Whoops, sorry. Wrote that up too high here. 6 years later, if I treat this as my first term, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, that's 7 years. Or, it's not 7 years, 6 years, but 7 terms. So n in this case has to be 7. So this has to be t sub 7 is equal to 8,400, 1.025 to the 7 minus 1. And we'll calculate that. Whoops. Times 1.025 to the power of 6, essentially. And we're going to get 9,741.42. Don't be mean. That 0.42 doesn't make any sense. So 9,741 people.